Hi there, I'm Craig and I want to share why becoming a touch-up guy has been one of the best decisions I ever made. But first, let me take you back a little bit. 22 years ago, I found myself in a tough spot. As an engineer, I never imagined I'd face redundancy. But life throws curveballs at you, doesn't it? I needed to find something that would be stable and provide for my family while still give me the flexibility I craved. That's when I discovered Touch-Up Guys. Let me tell you, this franchise is more than just a business opportunity, it's a game changer. And what I love about it is you don't need to be a seasoned tradesperson or have experience under your belt. With Touch-Up Guys, they provide all the training you need to succeed. And let's talk about earning potential. With Touch-Up Guys, the sky's the limit. You're in control of your income. The harder you work, the more you earn. It is that simple. Plus, being a mobile franchisee means I have the flexibility to set my own hours, allow me to prioritise what matters most to me, my family. Touch-Up Guys isn't just a job. It's a second chance, a second career, giving me the financial stability with work-life balance that I've always dreamed of. So if you're like me, looking for a new opportunity, ready to take control of your future, then I urge you to consider being a Touch-Up Guy. Join the team and become your own boss today. You got this.